Hi, this is an update about the Countdown Pinball machine. Now we made some progress. Oops. All right, brand new capacitors, and made these little connectors so we didn't have to resolder them because the wires originally there were already soldered in. They're just directly soldered to that, so we don't have to worry about that anymore. Made some connectors, and another thing, ground, and ground. The thing is grounded properly. Another thing. Oh no. Another thing. Small transformer. We got the fuses in. So it's properly protected. Now, the speaker here. I figured out why it's not working. Hold on, let me put the kickstand up. Alright. Figured out why that's not working. This. Let me take it out. The tone generator. Come on, focus. There we go. See that? Burn marks. And it's not from this right here. It's actually from a capacitor. As a matter of fact, this. Kind of burned from the side. And that's why it makes a god-awful buzzing noise. So, gotta fix that. No. All right, let me put the table back down real quick. All right. Now, when we got this, the display, the number lights things wouldn't pop up correctly. Let's turn it on. We got numbers. However, looks like me. And let me go to just a second. Oh no, there it goes. The reason numbers glitched is because I took the battery out. Then yellow pop up. Oh well. Alright, just a second. Yeah. So it doesn't correctly reset. This thing is always ejected. Pop bumper. No, it reset it. Never mind. The pop bumper does work. Alright. Flippers work great. Now, however, the coin, the one on the left, oh my gosh, never mind. I was going to say, the one on the left always rejects the coin. Oh. Where the flip did that go? Oh, I found it. Alright. Now it's starting to reject it. I can't start a game. There's a way to change it to like free play or something. Anyways, yeah, overall, making progress. Thanks for watching.